Here at Creative Resources, we know that home remodeling can be frustrating. That's why we've developed our proven process to make it simple and easy for you every step of the way. First, we make a complimentary visit to your home to understand your style and functionality needs. We also take measurements and discuss materials. Then, a preliminary budget is put together based on your needs. We call this preliminary budget the ROM, or rough order of magnitude. For materials you haven't selected yet, don't worry, an allowance is used. This allowance will suggest a price range for those materials, based on your style and budget. After that, the ROM is presented to you. If you like what you see, a retainer agreement is executed. Next, final selections are made with our designer and a final budget and proposal is put together. Once our proposal is executed, your project is scheduled. The start date will depend on the lead times of materials. When required, permits are pulled. All specialty material for your project is purchased at this phase. Prior to construction starting, we have a pre-construction meeting at your home. In this meeting, our project manager and designer will go over the project, construction schedule, and answer any questions you may have. Finally, Demo Day is here. During construction, our project manager will keep you informed on the schedule and status of your project. At last, your beautiful renovation is complete. Our project manager will do a final walk with you through your renovated space to ensure everything is as perfect as you imagine.